Hey guys, it's Kudens from Kudens Network here, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial about how to make a Bukkit server for Minecraft. Now, before I start, I was thinking, I've made servers for 4 years now, and I've gained quite a lot of knowledge from servers myself, and I thought maybe it'd be time to share that information with you guys. Now, first off, what you're going to want to do is you need Minecraft, obviously, or unless you get the hacked version, which for the money it's not worth the hassle. Just buy Minecraft; it's easy. Now, what you're gonna first want to do is go to the Bukkit website. Now, while I'm showing you this, I'll also explain for first timers what Bukkit is. Now, Bukkit runs a regular Minecraft server, but allows you to. This is just basically. It's not in detail for people who watch this, like who know what Bukkit is. People know what Bukkit is in detail, but basically for people who just starting, what Bukkit is it runs a Minecraft server. Which is, if you want to see what a regular Minecraft server is, it looks a lot nicer when you run the program. It's a regular, like, CMD, but in its own program, and it's, you just run commands through it, and it's just one program. Now, with Bukkit, it's a bit more complicated, and you have to have, like, files and stuff to add into a folder. And I'll show you how to do that, and I'll make it easy for you. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Bukkit. Then you need to get the latest build. Now, remember where this blinking thing is now. I never really use this. I've only ever been on this server like twice, like the website twice, because to get the server, it's not hard. You just I think it's just the Bukkit dev, the development. I apologise for that. I specify. I think I just used to search Bukkit server download. Right now, Bukkit. There you go. That's the one you want. Hide it now. The recommended build is the best one. Okay. If you get any higher, then there's going to be problems with it. Mainly. It's a development, it's not recommended, it's, it could be a bit dodgy or hicky. So, you want to get the recommended build. I've already got it, but I'm gonna do it again, because you can make servers more than once, as long as you don't run them all together. Now, it's even easier here, look, you just, instead of clicking on that, you can just click that, the green one. Green's good, yellow's okay, that's not good at all. But I think, I don't know, I never use the development builds. You can save that. And then that's your, just so you know, that is your basic server. If you want to run like them, you can get them off the Minecraft website, and you basically just click that and run it. You need to port forward, by the way, in which I will show you in another video how to port forward. Now, you need to find that out yourself, because basically what you need to do, your internet service provider, with your internet service provider, you go on. It's with Virgin Media. You go on the website and you go to your I think it's the hub, and a lot of people experience problems with Virgin Media ones. But you go to the hub and you port forward it in both of the sections, not like in two separate columns instead of one together. Anyway, you port forward there. And then you make your server, but you can make your server first, but you won't run, obviously. And you can use Hamachi, which I'll probably show you next how to use Hamachi before I show you how to port forward, because Hamachi's easy. It's like an easier version of port forwarding, but it's not as good, because that means people that want to come on your server have to also have a Hamachi, but Hamachi's okay if it's for just like you and your friend, or your friends from school, whatever, wanna play on the server, just like a few of you. But if you're gonna like advertise it and make money off it or whatever, then you need to like port forward it properly, or you can buy a host. Now hosts, I'll show you a few websites at the end on how to get a host. Anyway, I'm going to stop gibbering. I tried to make a tutorial video earlier on how to do this and I messed up because I'm an idiot. But yeah, that it's just basically a plain folder. I'll just delete that so you don't get confused. It's just, you know, make a new folder, call it whatever, like the awesome server. And it doesn't really matter what you call it. It doesn't matter. Here's my 2 other servers. These are my other servers. Don't worry about that. It looks confusing, but it's not. But they're my 2 servers anyway. This is my newest one. I'll leave the IP in for you. If you need any help, come on one of these servers or add me on Skype, and I'll help you guys. Just a blank folder. Everyone knows what a folder is, unless they're completely an idiot. Anyway, put your craft bucket in there. Now, bear in mind, every time Minecraft updates, you do need to go onto the Craft Bukkit website and get the latest version. Then, what you're going to want to do is make a batch file. Now, batch files, they're kind of complicated in a way, but there's a source on the website that tells you the command, like the line you put in, but I'm just going to take it off one of my old ones and show you inside of it how you do it. Now, you're going to want to make a new text document and call it whatever for now. I'm just going to call it 12345 because we're going to change it again later to run.bat. Now, in this you're going to want to open this up and smooth that the way when it's in the way. Just open up this one. Oh wait, sorry, apologies. That one's Tekkit. Don't get mixed up. Right, this is my regular Minecraft server, and that's what we're going to make, a run.bat file. Now, in order to do this, you have to rename it, but first you need to add the contents for it to run. So, it's probably a good idea if you get Notepad++, but it doesn't really matter, because when you start editing plugins in your server, you're going to need this, because it's just one long line forever across your screen. This I will show you at the end also. I'll show you a load of awesome things at the end, what you have to do. You're just going to edit this. Make sure you do edit, not open, because it's just going to run your server, and then you have to log off if you crash or whatever. This is a string you're going to put in. Exactly that. Now, it has to be capitals and everything. You can find it yourself on the internet if you like, and I'll put a link in probably because I'm a kind person. It will be something like command or command line for run.bat folder for Bukkit server. Now this is what you're going to use. Now I'm going to be easy, quick, and copy that, but it's Java space, and this here, that's equal to 1 megabyte. Okay. Something like that. Sorry, gigabyte, I don't know. But you can change this, you double it and then you have 2 gigabytes. But yeah, you just change that to 2048. Simple. And then you have, but it all depends on how much storage you've got on your computer. But this, with that will run like about 20 slots. Fine, I should imagine. And what you're going to want to do then is just put that in there. Control V, and there you have it. It's exactly anyway. Then what you're going to want to do is also this will change, so you have to change that with it. Okay, now that is the same name as what this will be. See there, the similarities are, they're exactly the same, because this tells you where to run it from, so that is going to run that. Yeah, so once you've done that, you're going to want to save it and then close it and rename it. Now this isn't tricky at all, you just have to do it properly. Now rename, you want to get rid of the .text as well and name it run.bat, and that is it. Now it will come up with a message like this saying it could be unusable, but it won't because we've done it right. You sure you want to change it? Yes, I do, because I'm confident with it. And there you go. It changes to a run.bat file. Now, what you're going to want to do then is run it, basically. And this tells you exactly the string you've put in, and the first time you ever start it, it will take a little time. But if you see, like, you can't read it all, but it does tell you. There's a little problem here because I've somehow got another server running. But this should save the world for you, and it should start to load. You'll see percentage. It'll start running like all the way down there. Yeah. That is how you make a server. That is all you have to do. Now, unfortunately, something wrong with my server, so I don't know. It's like nothing like that I haven't done wrong. I think it's just that I forgot to properly close my server. Now, I can't show you this unfortunately, but I will probably make a newer video soon. What you're going to need to do is, when you close your server, you'll have a command prompt open like this. I'm just going to show you, okay? It won't be this, it won't be CMD, but it will be like it. It's the same thing, but it'll just be like this, okay? And you saw it earlier, you saw the box, didn't you? It's like that, but when you want to stop the server, you type stop in it, okay? You won't have that, it'll just be like a normal dot thing, but that's not relevant. You type stop, that stops your server, okay? You double click it when you want to run it, it runs it, just like that. I will show you a plugin on how to use, wrong way around. I'll show you oh my god, what's wrong with my brain today? I will show you a separate video on how to use plugins and install some basic plugins and the 10 vital plugins you probably need for your server. That's all for now, guys, and I'll see you in our next video.